Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this revealing PowerPoint template in a PowerPoint. So let's start, but first be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Open up a blank slide first of all. And what you're gonna do next is insert a rectangle right here like this and duplicate it again. Place them and group them by pressing Ctrl G, and you're gonna adjust them onto the entire slide. You're gonna go to format shape and give a picture fill to to the three of the rectangles. Copy your text and you're gonna paste it onto your template as you wish to use the text. So let's change this color. So I'm gonna use white color for the text. You can use the color according to your picture using eyedropper. So let's select the image and we're gonna go to slide background fill for the first image. For the first second we're gonna do the same, and for the third we're gonna do the same. Now select all the rectangles. Insert this cylinder shape like this, rotate it, and you're gonna put it like under one of the rectangles. And for the rectangles, we're gonna change their color. Let's just use different colors. So we're gonna move the cylinder like below the template rectangle that is onto the slide, and we're gonna adjust it. Select it, change its color to gray, remove its outline, and select both the rectangle and the cylinder, and you're gonna group them by pressing Ctrl G. We're gonna duplicate the cylinder and we're gonna move it below the second rectangle too and below the first rectangle too. You're gonna select the rectangle along with the cylinder and you're gonna group it by pressing Ctrl G. Now the next thing we're gonna do is let's just select all of them and we're gonna give equal spacing between them. Insert a title and the header for the first template, and there you go. Increase its size, move it into the center and the middle of the template, and capitalize each of the words. Align it as well. There you go. And finally, the next thing we're gonna do is duplicate the first template and we're gonna remove the text and move this third of the rectangle upwards from the picture, and we're gonna duplicate it again, and for the second rectangle we're gonna move it upwards as well with same distance as the first rectangle, and we're gonna duplicate it again and move the third rectangle upwards. Now select one of the templates, go to morph transition and apply to all. So this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. See you soon in another interesting video like this. And you can download this template for free from the link in the description.